Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stevie Q and this is being Nifty at 50. So today we're going to be in the world of Texas Chainsaw Massacre and we're going to be playing as Virginia, trying to escape the family, and we're going to be using extra drip as our perks, efficient locksmith and tougher stuff. So we'll see if we can escape out being Nifty. Let's get into it. See you in the game. Okay guys, abandoned mill. And we're up against Hitch, Cook and Hands. Let's do it. Ooh, Connie. Absolute beast of a woman. Look at her go. Slamming them doors. She's on a mission. Let's hope she doesn't die quick. I mean, nobody dies quick.
Attacked me out of nowhere. I'm not sure what happened. Can we stay together?
Right, so we are going out here. Overgrown. We need to get a. We will need to lock a bone scrap because there's a hitch in Hands traps. So we'll grab it now.
Horrible.
Let's swing around. Smooth. Nothing to see in this bush. Okay, quick.
This looks like a way through.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Surprised you haven't got a hat trick on it, just missing thingy's trap. Okay. See if we can at least get his lock off. Hopefully, even if efficient locksmith comes clutch, it'll be even better. Oh, and he hasn't even got security pins. Quick. Oh yeah. Oh god.
Oh God.
Forgot to get a potion. Oh my goodness. Rookie. See ya. Whoa. What are you butting your chest at? Okay, he's gonna think we've gone round. We're gonna. Oh, double slam. Let's go. Well, big boy gets down here. Actually, heart's pumping. Right, I don't know what we're doing. He's there. Hopefully he's gone up. Get a health potion. One here, nice.
This might help.
Go. Okay, so just need one more bar and that. Hopefully they don't take the lock off it and replace it and reset it. Relax. Get the bone scrap. Get some potions. Get back to it.
Oh, Jesse. My baby.
I hate old Nugget there.
Where are you?
Always grasses me up. Which way do we go?
Thank you, God. I need this.
Could head over towards battery. Shh.
I thought for a minute. Never mind. Whoever you are, let's stick together.
Aww.
I have to find my boy. I can't leave him here. Shit. Did they see me?
Around here somewhere.
Right. We're on the move. Let's go.
Go away, damn it.
Oh, I don't know whether to actually. Wait, go for the bluff. We'll go head up back over towards Jen.
Oh.
Let's go.
I gotta
Go back through overgrown.
stay quiet. There they are.
They might have gone over battery.
My baby boy has to be here. I know he is.
Okay. Did
Finally.
you not even see me?
I think I can use that.
Please don't come back over here till I get this lock off.
Okay. I'm safe
I think we
now.
said it.
I gotta be careful.
Clever.
Should be open now.
Okay. Let's try and get this one. Well, he's got a trap on it either. Go, go, go. Whoa.
Damn. Not again.
Whoa. See ya. Whoa. I'll die. That was stamp. I thought that was close. What with the little end cap. Oh, someone's got the gen off. Oh, no.
What is that? Oh, Jesse.
Right, we need help.
My baby. Where are you?
Okay, we're just gonna have to. If there's not one here, right, we'll get potion. No problem. I have to double pump this. It's empty. Right. So, plan of action.
There's gotta
Battery
be
or
a
gen?
way out
I've
of
gone
here.
battery.
I need to get help.
Battery, where's it? Trying to think where the potion box is. Station. This one over here. Let's get stand back. Gates open still. Swing round this way. Cook's here.
I can't get away. Think.
Okay.
Please be alive, Jesse. Please. You look like
I think they left.
you're trying to
Okay,
find
where
someone
is he?
too.
Oh, Hans is here as well. Oh, big boy.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
I haven't got potion either. Jeez. We have to go find a potion. What do we do?
I have to find my boy.
Oh, so if they're there,
I can't leave him here.
we're gonna have to go back to Jen. And get powder actually. So. Okay. Let's go. I hate doing it. It's pointless doing it because he just installs it. Although it takes him away from there. Double stack it. But then we ain't getting out. 15.
I have to find him.
Where's he?
Oh, he's here.
Right. So we just need to do the...
Come on. That was too loud.
Get the gem. Gate was done. So that's just... Oh, it's double trapped. Come. Let's go, Virginia. Move it, move it.
Oh, this looks sharp.
Oh! Oh, I was meant to stab him and just to highlight him. Oh, what did he do?
Are they
Oh, we're going to be the last one. He's in the basement. Right. His potion, get another one. Excuse me. He's left. Okay. One of us will kick him the gen off quick.
Oh, this is horrible.
How's he gone?
Oh, finally. I think they're gone.
No.
Please be gone.
I'm kind of knackered here because he's got... Oh, come on. Come on, do it. Are you joking me? The game's... Please don't tell me the game's froze. Oh, no! Oh! Does that... Can I get in here? Oh, the game's froze. Well, guys, some of you win, some of you lose. Okay, so we're back on Nancy's house, and we're up against Nancy, Hans, and Hitch. And Nancy said, ain't nobody getting in her gaff and wrecking it. So, you better watch out.
What is
Because
this
Nancy's
place?
about. You better watch out. Because Nancy's about. Nancy's
I might
about.
be able to
Yeah.
go this way. This could be useful. This might work on that door.
Okay, I think we'll... Open this door. The garage. Alright, Connie, chili beans.
Should be open now.
You go, girl. Go! Be free! Looking for a bone scrap. Nothing in here, though.
Oh God.
Alright, we'll head
This is
upstairs.
horrible.
Introduce yourselves to the family. Okay, we'll go around to battery. Ooh. You just chill here for a minute. See where Nancy's going. She's probably getting... She'll be getting, yeah, blood. Fuse boxes here by the sounds of it. We'll just wait. I want to tell Nancy we're over here. Oh, I thought we were at Nancy's house and we're actually on Slaughterhouse. I got this part into the game until I realised. Oh, it's getting late, guys.
I have to watch myself.
Ooh,
Please, help me.
nice.
Please.
Go on, take her away. Right, let's see if we can get this door open. Use 2 distractions there. Smooth. And sneaky. Smooth and nifty. Right, we're out of here. That we'll go around. So quick. Double slam. Right, we're gonna bounce down the well. Hopefully she won't know we've gone. Be looking in the bushes for us. Go get some more powder, bit of health. We know it's all open. Right.
We got a hitchhiker camping facility.
Okay. Good to know. No, I've played this since it started and I don't know the names of places.
Oh my God.
Hey, what's that?
No. That poor baby.
Oh yeah. Anna. The sisters.
Hitchhiker got a trap
Just stay calm.
in the wall gap
Okay.
inside the facility, the wall gap by the well in the
Didn't get a-
facility, so
didn't
don't
get
go
a
through the wall
potion.
gap.
Think.
Cause he got a trap right there. And he also got a trap by the right facility door,
Okay, mate.
by the wall gap where the fuse box usually spawn.
Okay.
So there's a trap by a wall gap, by the door, by the right battery door, right facility door.
What is that?
Right, Julie's gone. R.I.P.
This will help.
Right, we need potion. To get the motion going. Come on, grab it. Grandpa's only at level 1.
I'm working on the right slaughterhouse door, the middle slaughterhouse door right now.
Man, it's in the commentary.
Alright, so slaughterhouse middle open right now. Slaughterhouse middle open.
Don't come over here. Please.
Has he got a trap here? We'll find out. No.
I'm opening the right slaughterhouse door. Right slaughterhouse door already open. Alright.
Okay, then.
Oh, shoot.
Easy. Does it?
Okay, so you got Nancy camping
Thank you,
you
God.
got Nancy camping
Oh my god, double trap.
Close. Just get
Nancy camping
I'm
better.
free. I did it.
Nancy camping better.
I'm sure I can make it.
I'm just gonna get some health before I go down here, don't know and I'm still getting this trap. Oh, get down, get down. Might as well have just gone down, we're gonna end cap anyway. Oh, Rocky.
Okay. Oh, I'm safe for now. I gotta be careful. You seem like someone I can trust.
No health there.
It's in your eyes.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice
come
big health
on,
here, that's good.
Please stop the bleeding.
Right. Someone scrap hell air potion. I head back up. I'm going back to battery. Where am I going? Right. Okay, so then there's 2. New tonic. Right, in here, potion.
I think I can use that.
Right. We just need the battery. And the gate.
There's gotta be a way out of here. I need to get help.
Better stand back.
Just go away, damn it.
It's Connie. Right.
Finally. I think I can use that.
Oh, come on, Connie. Sit chilling in the bushes.
Finally.
I might be saving you for Grandpa.
Please don't see me. Please.
Right. Flop. Okay.
Hey, come on.
Oh, Jesse. My baby. Where are you?
Just push me again. Oh. The thing is, he runs out of stamina when he does that.
Oh, Jesse. Sweetie, I know you're here. I can feel it.
Well, we can lead him on a merry dance round here doing laps, but it's not really going to get us out.
Damn. What was that?
Sometimes the health over here, looks like he's already eaten it. Oh, he's over there.
My baby boy has to be here.
Oh, every time I'm doing something, she's...
I got Hitchhiker here in the facility, so Hans is on the main stage by himself. You got Hans
There
over
they
there by
are.
himself. You got Hitchhiker facility. You got Nancy. She just camping battery. I don't even
great.
know how that's fun.
Are they
Like
gone?
Nancy just standing over there. That's like
Yeah, that's right, man.
I don't know how that's even fun. Like Nancy just standing over there by the damn. Nancy just standing by the battery. That's not even fun, bro. It's like it's kind of like lame though, man.
Yeah.
That's like real lame.
Oh. Right. So it's got to be Jen, or we do a fuse or something. And stab Grandpa.
I have to find my
Oh, I thought he was like level 3 or 4. Right, where is he? There he is. Getting blood. Right. So Hitch is obviously over here then.
Yeah, and Nancy just pinged me right now, but it's like it don't make no sense because she's not gonna leave the battery. Now they're trying to feed Gramps. But you got Hands right now trying to feed Gramps.
Oh,
Oh no, oh no, oh no. You look like
Where's Gramps anyway?
you're trying to find someone too. Oh,
We just not doing
gonna
anything
be
here.
sick.
Where is
Okay,
Grandpa? Oh, there he is.
I'm safe for now. I gotta be careful.
Oh. Oh, we ain't getting out.
I have to find my boy. I can't leave him here.
Come on.
How does he know I'm there? Okay, that's interesting. That is interesting, right? Right on PlayStation about. We ain't getting out, it's just crazy. Don't know what we do.
Jesse, my baby, where are you?
Oh, and Nancy left the battery.
Right.
Shit. Did they see me?
Could just
Nancy
mess
left the
around, just
battery,
keep stabbing
baby.
Grandpa.
Nancy left the battery. Nancy left the
My
battery,
baby
Virginia.
boy has to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
I'm
he
dead.
is.
Nancy left the battery.
Yeah, I'm coming, Mum.
Nancy left the battery.
Okay, mate. You stuck on loop.
Oh, man.
Right, so Nancy's
Oh,
over
she
there.
ran right back over there to the battery.
I gotta stay quiet.
Don't
There
quit.
they are.
Oh, I thought she quit.
No,
Don't
Mum.
quit.
We'll just run away. We'll either die by end cap. Or we just go and stab Grandpa.
Are they gone? Oh no,
So Hitchhiker got a trap, right? Hitchhiker got a trap by that
Yeah.
right facility door. I don't know if he had one by the left one, but I know both doors are open.
damn.
Because Wyatt opened the left door.
Oh, he's put the chap on that. Don't know what we do.
It's locked. Damn.
Just delaying the inevitable. She's probably gone straight back to
I
Grandpa.
have to find my boy. I can't leave him here. Please don't see me. Please.
Don't go through that wall gap. Is it? Nope. Trap there.
Like my co-pilot.
Nancy's back over at the battery though.
Oh, Jesse. My baby.
We'll just go in and mess
Where
around
are
them
you?
till we die. Go
Shit.
get some bone scraps.
Did they see me?
There's things in this house I just can't let you
Did she see you? She saw you?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, she saw you. Damn, if she would have saw you, that would have been clever. That would have been crazy if she didn't see you.
I don't know what we're gonna
It's
do.
funny because she came there at the right time. Like that's crazy.
She's gone down.
Yeah,
there.
if she didn't. If she didn't come there at that exact time, you probably could have been able to open that gate. But you probably would
Baby
have stood
boy
in there.
has to
Yeah.
be here. I know he is. I gotta stay quiet. There they are.
I don't know what we do, man.
Are they gone?
Got no bone scraps.
Oh no, oh no.
Swing and a miss.
Little tiresome now.
Ah! I don't know what we do. Oh, missed again. Oh, I thought we could have got down to mouth. Oh, there's not much you can do there. It's just sweaty play, really. Thanks to Trap SF for the co-pilot help there. You're amazing, man. Yeah, I wish I could have replied back to you, but if you ever do watch it, thanks for the help.
GG's, y'all. GG's, GG's.
GG's, man. GG's. Okay, so we're on Family House, and we're up against Johnny, Cook, and Hans. Let's see how we get on. Let's do it.
Oh. What happened? What is this place? Thank you, God. I need this.
Let's go.
This might work.
Son of...
Who are you?
Just go around this way, mate. Oh, Miss Katie, Chloe. Kitchen.
Thank God, it's open.
Powder. So the amount of times you get your powder here and everybody just runs straight past you, just like you're blind. Sweet things. Alright, someone's upstairs. Distract them, nice. See if we can get this off.
Fuse only first floor.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get the fuse off of Hans, although we'll just go hang out behind the fuse exit.
Should be
Nice.
open now.
I kept the lockpick as well.
Who are you? How did you get here?
See if we can get this off for anybody who notices back gate's open. Ooh.
Nice and steady.
That worked. Finally.
Take this!
Right, gonna go.
Where's
Trying to get some progress on the lock before he comes over.
Damn it.
Although it is dead. Dead man's land over here. Oh, if White comes over, he can do the battery of his knife, hopefully. Come on, come on, come on.
I got you now.
Come on, quick, quick.
Okay, it's open.
Oh, you haven't done it. Oh,
Die!
out there.
What is that?
Okay. Oh, scrap.
God, this is new.
Okay. Okay. Oh, he's definitely seen me. No, he didn't.
Oh, God.
Oh, yes, he did.
Please.
Bosh. Right, we're out in the open here. We know where to go.
Left.
Arcade's done. Hands is because we're trolling that, so the only option is to try and get the fuse done. Okay, cool.
Did they see me?
Hold on.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, oh. Stop. Go slow.
Need bone scraps. Oh.
I can get through here.
Lovely.
Oh. I thought for a minute.
Give him a double powder burst.
Never.
I'm taking Jen.
Let's stick together.
Nice. I'm turning off battery.
Oh, must have.
Use that.
Oh, where's the gap gone? Oh, could have done fuse. I get the fuse.
Hands coming in the moment.
Okay. Oh, I'm safe now.
It's cook
I
on
gotta
fuse.
be careful.
John is so quick. This fucking game. You can never run from Johnny in open field. Fuck this game.
Okay.
I thought that Johnny away from keyboard.
There's a lot box.
I gotta.
Oh, we'll get this one already, actually. Bonus.
There they are. I have to find my boy.
Yes.
I can't leave him here.
That's cool.
Be
What
useful.
cock? Right, so, and then there was two.
Finally. I think I can use that.
Right, so he might have ripstalled that, or has he just turned it off? Oh god, I can't count. 16, 9, 10,
Please don't see me. Please.
3.
Oh, thank God.
Right, let's go.
I might be able to make it now.
See if we can be nifty and get out. Stand back.
You.
Come on, Leland, let's go.
I feel like we
Quick.
can get through this.
Oh, Matt, stand. Please
Stay
don't
close.
turn it off. Yes! Escaped. Come on, Leland. Nice. Nice. GG's, guys. GG's. Okay, guys. Well, that's a wrap. If you did like this game, if you did like the game and would like to subscribe, please do hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell button for notifications of any future videos. I've been Stevie Q. This has been Trying to Be Nifty at 50. Catch you in the next one. Stay nifty.